Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update the drivers for Windows. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up your device manager on Windows. In order to open up device manager or Windows, you guys have to just put the mouse arrow on the start icon. So after putting the arrow on start icon, you guys have to just right click on the mouse, and here you guys have to select device manager, or you guys can tap on Control plus X to open up device manager. So after opening up device manager, here you guys can be able to see the list of all devices in your operating system. And in order to upgrade or update the drivers, you guys have to just head over to the device of which you want to update the driver. So you guys have to just tap on any of the arrow icon of keyboard, mouse, or any other device of which you want to update the driver. Suppose that I want to update the drivers of my monitor. So I have to just tap on the arrow icon which is left on the left to monitor icon. And here you guys have to just right click on the monitor and tap on update driver. So after tapping on update driver, it will provide you two options. One for search automatically for drivers, and second for browse my computer for drivers. So first option is, when you select on first option, Windows will automatically search the best driver for your device and automatically install the driver. And whenever you select the browse my computer for drivers, in this option you guys have to just provide manually the driver file, and Windows will install manually. So I will recommend you to use first option, because Windows find the best driver for your device. So you guys have to just tap on it, and it will take some time, and in this way you guys can be able to update any of the drivers in your Windows. So hope you guys would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.